Hi, good morning, guys. This is what it looks like when I wake up this morning. Look at the car is having a hard time. Here, look at here. Look at the car. I'm going to work right now, but then I cannot take my car. It's because nobody plow in our complex. Look at that. My husband is already helping me, but then nobody plow in here. So, oh no, my coworker is trying to pick me up. There you go. I think this is like 5 inches. Oh no. Here we go. See. Oh, I think you cannot see it because it's still dark. It's like maybe 6. I think it's 6:30 in the morning here. Here. Let's go. It's dark. I'm trying. Yeah, nobody plowed. Oh. Alright. Look at this. It's all white. I'm waiting for my co-worker. I don't know. I'm here outside. You can see it's all white. Look at that. Wherever you go, nobody plowing here. Horrible. I don't know. Now my scrubs, it's really wet. Alright, guys. Here we go. I'll see you on my next vlog. Alright, bye.